it doesn't have to be straight, like straight down. That is for all of you who are using just the frames only for your clientele. This is silver. All right. Let me get this off just a little bit more. So this is for all of you who are using like just the beads for the client's nails. Okay, I just want to off like that. I didn't want to do right in the center. You don't have to if you don't want to, but however you can do straights if you want to, however you prefer. Okay, cue for 60 seconds. This one. This for all of you who are doing just a frame for clients only. Again, condensed wool gels for the last one.